By this point, America had land, resources, industry, people, money. But this was just the beginning, because the real moment America becomes a true superpower comes after the World War II. Pause. Let's continue. It's 1945. The war is over. Europe is destroyed. Cities are in ruins. Economies have collapsed. Millions of lives lost. Everything feels broken. But in the middle of all this chaos, one country is standing strong. The United States. Pause. This is where everything changes. While most of the world was being bombed, America's mainland was untouched. Factories were still running. Cities were still standing. Production was at its peak. In fact, during the war, America became the world's factory. Weapons, vehicles, supplies, everything was being produced at massive scale. So when the war ended, other countries were trying to recover. America, it was ready to lead. Now here's a move that changed the game. The Marshall Plan. America didn't just focus on itself. It helped rebuild Europe, sent billions of dollars. Food, money, infrastructure. It looked like generosity, but it was also strategy. Because when you help someone grow, they trust you, they depend on you. Pause. That's influence. Now think about your own life. When you help the right people, you build strong connections. America did that, but globally. Next, power shifted. After the war, only two countries stood at the top: the United States and the Soviet Union, and this is where tension begins. The Cold War, not a direct war, but a battle of ideas. Capitalism versus communism, freedom versus control. And here's what's interesting. America didn't just fight with weapons. It fought with influence, lifestyle, culture, opportunities. Pause. It made people want to follow it. Now let's talk about something huge. Technology. During and after the war, America invested heavily in innovation. One major moment, the Manhattan Project. This changed global power forever. But it didn't stop there. New technologies, new systems, new growth. America kept moving forward, always upgrading. And then comes money. After the war, the US dollar became the world's main currency. Global trade